Hi everyone, you're watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna show you that buttercream icing sugar. You can call that buttercream frosting. You can call that icing mix. So now I'm gonna introduce the ingredient. So let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. So I have 150 gram of icing sugar. I got 50 gram of butter.
1 tablespoon of milk.
And I got the vanilla and pinch of salt. So what I'm gonna do now, so I'm gonna add pinch of salt now. Then I'm gonna add
1 tablespoon of milk.
1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I'm gonna mix a little bit. You know, always when you make the icing sugar, already make the mess. So don't worry about it. So it's always happening with anyone. And then I'm gonna add the butter here. So if you have the beater, egg beater, you feel free to use it, but I prefer my hands. So I'm gonna make the icing sugar frosting here. See guys, it's the thickness coming up now, so that it's supposed to be buttercream icing sugar. So I just want to get some thickness. So guys, this is how it is. Look at that. Wow. So I'm gonna try now. Perfect. That's how we're doing it. So this is how we're in the buttercream icing mixture. So you use that buttercream icing sugar to garnish any cakes or muffins. So I use the muffin to garnish up. So that's how you're gonna get it. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope this one gonna help you to make the buttercream icing mixture. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing me Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye.